I recently received this shade for my window as a gift, and it is so cute. I just want to do a video before I put it up because when I was looking at these, I did not see a close-up feature of this product. So I just want to show you how adorable this is. So this is a pretty small one. This is 15 by 48, but this is the zebra blackout shades. And so you open it, and what I saw myself is I just saw the open product in people's pictures. So it just looked like that. But I didn't see the ability when you pull it down, that's what kind of blocks it out. And I think that's the coolest thing. Here's my window right here. You can kind of see that. And then see how that just immediately blocks it out. The coolest thing. I want these for every window in my house because they just also look really stylish. So when you have it, look at that. It's just so neat. These are the ready-made ones. So literally you just have to put it up. So pay attention to that, but so easy. No messy cords. So easy to use. I need them all.